In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vectorize an image in Adobe Express. If you've ever tried to scale up a logo or a graphic and it turned blurry, this is exactly what you need. Vectorizing converts a pixel-based image, like a JPG or PNG, into a clean, scalable SVG graphic that stays sharp at any size. It's ideal for logos, icons, and simple illustrations, and the best part is that Adobe Express makes the process quick and beginner-friendly. First, open Adobe Express. You can use it in your web browser or through the app. Once you're on the home screen, you're in the right place to access the quick actions that simplify common design tasks. No complicated setup required. Next, use the search bar and type "Convert to SVG." This pulls up the dedicated tool designed to turn a standard image into a vector. The Convert to SVG option is straightforward and does exactly what it says. It analyzes your image and rebuilds it as resolution-independent shapes. Think of it as tracing the important edges and colors so the result can be scaled up for a poster or scaled down for a tiny icon without losing clarity. Now, select the image you want to vectorize. You can choose a file from your device, and common formats like JPG and PNG work well. For the cleanest results, start with a high-contrast image or a logo with defined edges. Simple shapes and solid colors tend to vectorize beautifully, while very detailed photos might turn into stylized, poster-like versions with flat color areas. If your image has a busy background, consider using a version with a transparent or plain background before you start, as that typically produces a neater vector. After you choose the image, Adobe Express processes it automatically. In just a moment, the tool generates an SVG version. That's it, you're all done. You now have a crisp, scalable graphic that's perfect for print, web, or any layout where size flexibility matters. SVG files are compact, edit-friendly, and widely supported across design tools and modern websites, making them a smart choice for brand assets and UI elements. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Keep a copy of your original image for reference. Use vectorized graphics for anything that needs to scale, and when preparing artwork for vectorization, aim for clear edges and minimal noise. With this simple workflow, open Adobe Express, search for Convert to SVG, and select your image. You'll consistently get professional-looking results in minutes.